Assalamu alaikum. I've arrived in Peshawar early in the morning, and I was staying in University Town. First goal was to visit Islamia College. We arrive here. We are told you need armed security because you're a foreigner to visit the campus. So we walk around, we find someone who's willing to do so, thank God. And now we are visiting the college, and I'll show you guys. Amazing, beautiful, yes. And they're playing cricket over there.
Yeah, students are playing cricket. They live in the hostels.
They live in the hostels and they study here too?
Yeah.
And then beautiful flowers as well. Look at this. There's way more to this campus as well. We came from that direction. Already a lot of architecture there. People playing cricket. It's a weekend day, so the interior is actually not open to the public, but the outside is just as immaculate. We peeked through the windows and it looked really nice inside. This is red on the outside, interior was white. Shout out to the security team and to Farhan. Very green and lush inside as well. Ah, okay, there's a crest.
The back side up.
First stop on our journey through Peshawar. Really beautiful. Super nice. Nestled away, people are probably wondering, you know, what are you doing so close to Afghanistan? There's so much more to this country than its two biggest cities and its capital. In Lahore, you have more Punjabi culture, Peshawar, more Pashtun culture. And I just wanted to see both sides of the country while I'm here for this limited amount of time. The front view of the college right here. Yes. Flag of Pakistan and flag of
University, Islamia College flag. One is a Pakistani flag, or second is Islamia College flag.
I see. Doesn't matter what country I'm in, people still think I'm Chinese. Really interesting to see. My initial perceptions about this country was that it'd be more dry, but you know, that's just misinformation. It's not. Assalamu alaikum. Is it fine if I report?
After that room, here make it like that.
After they continue with the gun, okay. Islam.
बस एड्रेस में की
Wow, that's a really a cool gun, yes. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam. That Brita,
made in Pakistan.
Made in Pakistan. This gun. Oh wow.
Finishing is remaining of this and color.
Color is left. Oh,
Color. Black color, brown color, gold color.
like that black one. Okay. So, okay, that's the end result right there.
You want to check it?
Oh.
You want to check it?
Check it.
You want to touch it?
Yeah, sure. Empty. Empty, right?
Empty, empty.
Okay, okay.
Take it. So what can I go? Take it, take it.
Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Oh my god. It's scary. It's a little scary to hold. Oh my god. Yeah, it's cool. So, they're finishing up. The end product is this gun right here. Heavier than it looks. Very intricate process that they go through in order to create it. Yes, thank you. Shukriya. Thank you very much.
Mehrabani. सेक्शन की सिर्फ बदल मिलेगी
Oh wow. Even bigger guns. Oh my god. Oh. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. These are all big guns.
Yeah.
Kalashnikov or no?
The
No. On the wall as well. Oh, they're all over. Oh wow.
first one, usually first one, second one, big guns.
All different types of guns are manufactured here.
All different types.
Pistols. Oh my god. Yeah, that's really cool. See all of this. And this is just one factory.
Check this.
Oh wow.
You wanna check this? I will make a video for you.
Yeah, sure. It's heavy. Holy cow. I grab it from here. My mom.
He will kill you.
She's gonna kill me.
But where you will go?
Feels amazing, looks amazing. Yeah. Very intricately made. You take a picture of me. Yes.
Give me one by.
I will turn it off. Even more right here. I saw children working here too. Assalamu alaikum. Who buys the guns? Do you sell it to other countries or
Dealers also buy and individually persons.
individually, personally?
Dealers also. Check it. Give me. I will
Oh
make a
wow.
video for you.
Yes.
Take it.
Shukriya. Oh my god, like this? No. Where? I've never held a gun before.
Okay. Give me.
No. How do I?
It's okay. M4.
Yes.
Made in Pakistani M4.
Made in Pakistan, Peshawar.
Peshawar.
Yes, sir.
This is the block.
Ah, that's it. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Alright. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, scared me.
Checking.
Oh my god.
He's checked there.
That terrifies me. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Puta madre. Wow. Guys, I'm shaky now. Oh wow. Oh. A lot going on. A lot to this process. Good, how are you? Fine. Yes, Pakistan, amazing. Very good, thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Quite the vlog, to say the least. Peshawar holding it strong here. Oh my god. Yes, I entered. Yes. What I was recording was the process of how to make these guns, and this is the end product. They all look really nice. A little nerve-wracking at first sight, you know. Despite being from the US, not used to seeing guns often. Probably because of my state.
This is Brita.
I'm trying to think of all the gun safety I just learned in school. Assalamu alaikum. Preparing for a breaking iftar. Bring girls.
Bring girls from Peshawar to there.
To where?
To where? Seriously, you tell me more. It will be more better.
Pashtuns will kill me if I do that.
No. Pashtun, girl we bring. Not killing you, yeah. So wait, I will show you.
That's funny. It's an old city. Oh, like a gate, kind of.
That was Kebab Bazaar.
Khyber Bazaar.
Now from this part starts Safani Bazaar.
Safani.
This is the Safani gate, the wall.
This gate right here.
Concluded, this is Safani gate.
Wow, that's nice.
Would you like to go on what?
Yes.
Yeah.
Popcorn. What was it?
Would you like to record video on the right?
Yes. Yes. Assalamu alaikum. Oh wow, look at this. Great food after Ramadan. Yes. All right. That's my life. No. Kheer. Acha. Look at this. A little bit.
Would you like to try?
Should I? Shukriya. Awesome. Name? What is the name again?
Kheer.
Kheer.
In Pashto we say kheer.
Kheer.
In Urdu
Got it.
also we say kheer.
Gotcha. Thank you. Yeah, nice. Oh wow. Dairy.
It's kheer in Pashto.
Sweet. I would compare it to arroz con leche. Really cool. Pashtun food?
Yes.
Yes. Nice. You want some?
Should I stop the video?
You